Okay, so we are in Denmark, and when you want to go somewhere in Denmark, you have to pick the right ticket machine because they sell different kinds, and you don't even know what the right kind is because they all look different. You can press English. Tickets, if you want to go to a zone in the metro, they should all have maps like this. You have to count the zone that you're in as one, so 1, 2, 3, stuff like that. And you have to buy a ticket for at least 2 zones to go anywhere. If you want to go to anywhere in the gray, then you have to do a day ticket or a tourist ticket. And 24-hour 99 zone, you can go anywhere, pick how many you want. So that's how that works. And the tickets work on the metro, which we're at now. They also work on buses, the S trains, I think on the trams. And if you buy the 99 zone one, they also work on the regional trains, which are white, and the S trains are red. And if you can find a good map of the metro, that's essential because it's pretty complex and confusing. So you can get pretty much anywhere, and if you go to the same station, then like at Copenhagen H, they all interconnect, the metro, the train, and the S trains. And if you're going on, like, unlike places like London and Paris, they don't, each type of S train doesn't go on a different track, so the same track can be shared by different lines. So if you see the board lit up and it's saying that it's a different train than the one you want, just wait a couple minutes, because it might act, if you're going in that direction, then the line you want will come up eventually. And that's partly how to use the train system in Denmark.